Dear Santa, could you please send me a toy Christmas house?
Hey, Susie, what are you doing here?
Please don't distract me. Santa's magic post office is about to close, and I also wanted to go to the beauty salon.
Well, I could send that letter for you, you know.
Really? Oh, Sammy, you're a lifesaver.
Jingle all the way! Oh, Roger! Are you decorating our Christmas tree without me? Come on!
Sorry, buddy, but Christmas is around the corner. We have no time to wait.
Oh, right. Okay. I can decorate anything in a jiffy. Make way. Oh, I love doing this so much.
I know. It's the best part.
Here you go, horsey.
And we are done. Awesome. By the way, what did you ask Santa for?
Wait, what did you say? I feel like I was supposed to do something, but I can't remember what exactly. Shiver me, Cheddars. Roger, how could you distract me like that? I completely forgot that I was supposed to send this. Sue asked me to.
Yeah, that's a pickle. Hey, you know what? We could sneak a peek at what's written in that letter and get Sue what she wants.
That's a thought. Sue wants a toy Christmas house? Where do we get it?
This is exactly what I was hoping for. I mean, we are not Santa's elves, of course, but we are crafters. That has to mean something.
Wow, Roger, you are the best. Let's do this.
Now, let's build that toy Christmas house. This is gonna be the base.
These walls definitely won't do. Give me a sec. Here, Roger, take these. They are way more festive.
Great, Sammy, thanks.
And what's with the floor?
Still working on it.
I think the wooden floor looks very cozy.
Agreed.
This Christmas gift is still unwrapped and very heavy.
It's not a gift. It's for the second floor of this house.
I've got more wooden textures here.
Oh, great.
What do you think about this texture, Roger?
You have a good eye on these things, buddy. This is where the entrance will be. Now, let's make all the edges look neat. And voila! The main part is done. Sammy, what do you say?
I say it looks awesome. Let's deal with the rest.
Let's...
Wait, it's not ready yet.
Just step aside, son. I am too old for all this fuss. I'd like to take a nap. Where is the bedroom here? Ho, ho, ho! How am I supposed to get up there?
Hold on a second, Mr. Claus. We didn't have time to make the stairs yet.
Hurry up, Roger. We can't let Santa down.
Oh, you're absolutely right, buddy. We'd better speed up.
Look what I found. Nice hairdo, huh? Hey!
Sam, I think it will look better over here. See? Perfect.
A paintbrush. Check!
Cool. It's like you're reading my mind, Sammy. Nice bedhead. Just a few more cozy touches. And the bed is ready. Well, how do you like it, Sam?
What about the stairs?
Right. Let's get to it. Now that's what I call a new approach.
So, is it ready? Sounds wonderful. Just a tiny power nap? And a tasty snack.
And for Santa to be able to do so, we need a kitchen.
I thought you might need these, Roger.
Right on time. Friends, remember to always be careful with sharp objects. Did you guess what this will be? If yes, give this video a thumbs up. And the stove is ready.
Wow, it looks great! But I wasn't idling my thumbs either.
Great, let me just work it up a bit.
Could we use this somehow?
Sure, why not?
And what do you say about a few ornaments?
Great idea, Sam. Check it out.
All we need for Christmas is a Christmas tree.
And I know exactly how to make it.
Let's make it look festive too, Roger!
Of course. Let's also add a magic touch. Oh, what a wonderful Christmas tree, right?
Yeah, and it matches in color with me!
Huh? Did I hear a Christmas tree? Oh, she's amazing, guys. Well done.
Roger, let's make a table until he's back.
On it, Sammy. Here comes the table leg, and it's done. But we can't forget about the chairs, too.
And we'd better make them look pretty.
Here we go.
I've got something for you, friends.
Wow, Santa, thanks for the help.
Hey, I've got something cute here. Check it out.
You will stand here, Frosty.
Oh, and where's the feast?
Sorry, Santa. Give us a few more seconds, please. Alrighty, we need a dinner worth Santa Claus himself. This will give our festive birdie nice, yummy looks. Here you go, Santa. And this is for you, too.
Now we're talking. Ho, ho, ho!
In the meantime, we have only one room left unfurnished. The living room. This is going to be the Christmas decor for the window frame. And it's better to match our Christmas tree as well, right? Okay, let's see how it looks all together. Wow, I like how it turned out. Do you think we need anything else?
Well, of course. How could you forget?
Oh, you're right. Here it goes. Actually, I have one more idea.
Whoa! Ho, ho, ho! You did very well, Roger and Sam. I'd only add some warmth as well.
Okay, Santa, you got it. And what can be warmer than a cozy-looking fireplace, right? Let's decorate it a little bit, too. Well, what do you say, guys? Subscribe if you like it. And our fireplace goes in its place.
Wow, it looks amazing. But with a sofa, the room will look even better.
Can't argue with that. How about that, huh?
Are you making a coffee table there?
Yep, and this is just what I need, Sammy.
I've just realized we don't have a single snowflake in here.
We can easily fix that, buddy. And this, for extra coziness.
Ho, ho, ho! It's perfect, friends! Well done. And this is my personal touch.
Great job, Santa. And our toy Christmas house is ready, just like Sue wanted.
Yay! I'm so happy we made it in time.
Wow, it's Christmas already. I wonder if there's anything for me under the Christmas tree. Oh, I can't believe it. It's perfect. Thank you, Santa. Thank you so much.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Wow, Sue, this toy house is amazing.
I know. My dream came true. I hope all your dreams will come true, friends.
That's right. See y'all.
Dear friends, we love you, and we hope to see you all in the new year.